Okay, here's how to ask for referrals. I wrote this asking for referrals script over 20 years ago, and I've taught it to many thousands of salespeople since. It's probably produced 1 million or more referrals. Here's precisely what you say. You just need to replace my words about what I do and the type of prospect I'm looking for with a phrase that perfectly describes the pain your perfect prospect could be suffering from. Here's what I say. Mrs. Prospect, I like to invest my time looking after my customers, not looking for them. But like you, I too have to generate new customers. So I'd really appreciate your help, please. Would you mind very much if we just took a few minutes to brainstorm who else you know whose sales team might not be making their sales quota every quarter? I'd love some introduction, please. Who springs to mind? Play the video again, write the words down, replace my hook with the major problem your perfect prospect could be suffering from, learn it off by heart and ask for referrals, whether or not you've made a sale or booked an appointment. I guarantee you this, your future income will grow in direct proportion to the number of times you ask this referrals question.